What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another edition of So Your Wife Wants You To. In today's edition, I've been ironing on these patches, and they tend to come back off. See, that one's coming off. There's a couple others that are really bad. And sewing those things, pushing a needle through all that patch material, man, it's tough. So, I found this product here. I'm going to give it a shot. It's called Badge Magic, and it looks like it comes in just like a sheet sleeve like that. Got instructions on the back. Open it up, and it's just a little, basically it's a double-sided tape, but it's in a sheet form. So we're gonna give it a shot. The first step is flip it around. You see the front and the back. The back feels a lot like paper. So we're gonna flip it around. Here's a pretty crazy badge right here, and try to position it to where you have the least amount of waste, but basically just trace it out. End up with that. And I always cut inside the lines. You don't want any adhesive sticking out of the patch, so just cut inside the lines. I'll show you. So we're basically making the adhesive a little bit smaller than the patch. It's okay if just a teeny bit, because otherwise what I've found is the girl's hair gets stuck in the little bit of adhesive that's showing. So just make it a little smaller and it'll work just fine.
What's that?
What?
That?
We're doing Badge Magic. It's a double-sided tape product that you can use patches, stick your patches on your vest. So now we're left with basically this donut here. I like to just place it on and make sure that the outside of the badge is going to, you can see the outside. So, sorry about my cinematography skills here. So we see the purple ring pretty much going all the way around. That means that your adhesive will be kind of hidden. So, so hair doesn't get stuck and stuff like that. Alright, next step is to start peeling. You can see the film. So just peel the back off of it. Comes off pretty easily. Boom. Now this side is super sticky. We're going to stick it onto that patch that you can't see. Here it is. The harder you press on this stuff, the more it stays put. So if you start out lightly, you can kind of move it around still. Push down gently. Push down gently. Make sure it's placed really well. If you really wanted to get perfectionist, you get an X-Acto blade and kind of cut off the rest of this little stuff. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Now, once it's fully on, you can push hard. And essentially, you have a sticker. Now, you peel the back off. Peel the back off and put it on. That's it. You can pick it up, move it around, it's not coming off. So it works pretty well. That's it, everybody. Thank you. Give us a Subscribe if you like these videos, and otherwise just hit the thumbs up, and we will see you next time.